Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you.
Hey guys, how's it going? Today I thought it would be fun if we styled the little black dress because why not? So I thought I would just show you 4 different ways you could wear the exact same thing and just play around with it and have some fun. So I did up 4 different outfits wearing my little black dress. So this is my little black dress here. I have had this for a few years. I absolutely love it. I probably won't be getting rid of it anytime soon because it just goes with everything and you can dress it up and dress it down. So I put together 4 more casual outfits that you could wear on a day-to-day basis while wearing your little black dress. So the first outfit that I wanted to style and show you guys how to wear it was with a sweater over top. So I have this sweater here, which is a really nice neutral color and it has like small little flecks of dark gray in it as well. Thought this went really nicely with the dress and I just threw it on over top. So you almost get a different look with it. It's more like a skirt and top combination rather than people thinking, oh, she's wearing a dress. So that's just a whole other way in itself that you could style a dress by throwing something over top. Since both pieces were pretty solid in color, I wanted to have a little bit more fun with my bag, but I don't really have any statement handbags, so I paired it off with my nude handbag and then threw a scarf on top of the handbag. So that's just a fun little extra detail and something easy you can do to spice up any of your outfits. And like I said, because this outfit was a little bit more basic and neutral, I wanted to spice it up with things like the scarf, and then I also went for an earring as well. I don't usually wear bigger earrings, but I thought, hey, what the heck? So I put in some dangly earrings. I've had these earrings for a little while. I honestly cannot remember where I got them. I'm so sorry. But yeah, they're black with a little bit of gold on them. I thought they were really cute and they went really nicely with the outfit. And then I paired it with a watch as well. And for my shoes, I just wanted something really easy to slide on. I'm not a huge fan of heels. You guys know these just have like the tiniest little heel on them and they're just super comfortable little slides. So that is what I rocked on my feet. So the next outfit that I styled together for you guys, I decided to throw on a denim jacket over top. I love denim jackets and they also just go with everything. So this kind of brings it down to a more casual vibe. My denim jacket has a couple rips in it and stuff, so I really like that look, and it's a little bit more oversized. So I have the dress with the jacket, and I wanted to spice that up a little bit as well by adding some jewelry. So I went with a longer necklace. I have this Alex and Ani necklace right here. It's got the sun and the moon. So cute, and it actually has adjustable straps so you can make it shorter or longer, but for this look I wanted to have a little bit of a longer necklace, so I went with that. And then for my shoes, just keeping it super neutral with a pair of nude flat sandals. Really comfortable if you're walking around for a full day, then this is a great outfit. For my handbag, I went with my big black tote bag. I got this from Nordstrom and the brand is Pixie and Mood. Absolutely love this. If you are having a long day out, you can jam a lot of stuff in there, so it's definitely a great bag for that. So that's pretty much how I styled the second outfit. I just wanted to keep it really cool and casual and something you could wear out for more of a day occasion. For this next outfit, I wanted something I could just quickly layer over top of the dress just to give it a different look altogether. So I went with this blazer jacket that I have here. It is a longer blazer coat and I really love the color of it. It's like a khaki beige type color. So another neutral, I'm sorry you guys. But then for my bag, I wanted to do brown accessories for this look. So I went with a brown bag that I have here with a little bit of gold detailing. And then for my sunglasses, I went for a brown tint as well. I have these cat eye glasses here which have a slight brown tint around the edge, so I thought that went all really nicely together. And jewelry, I kept really minimal with this look. I'm only wearing my necklace, and for the shoe I decided to go with my black slides again. I wanted them to match up with the dress so that I had some consistency in the blacks and the brown tones. Pretty much sums up that outfit. And then for the very last outfit, I wanted to just wear the dress but spice it up just a touch. So I decided to just grab this black belt that I have. This is actually from a pair of my dress pants. It came as the belt, but I thought, hey, that would probably work as just a tie for my black dress. So I basically just tied it around my waist to give my body a little bit of shape since the dress is a little more straight fitting. And yeah, I thought that went really well. I tied it into a little bow. And then for accessories, I wanted to make it a little more casual of a look, so I decided just to toss on my sun hat. That just gave it definitely more of a casual vibe, I found. For my purse, I didn't want it to stand out too much, so I just went with a very small black bag that I have, and I thought that just went seamlessly with the rest of the outfit. Then lastly, for shoes, I wore my little thrifted sandals, which I've been getting a lot of use out of lately. I just love the black strappy sandal. It has a small little heel on the back as well, and I thought I would keep on trend with the all black that was happening. So yeah, that basically sums up how I would style my little black dress in 4 different outfits. Hopefully you guys liked this video and got a little bit of inspiration from it. Yeah, also don't forget to let me know which outfit was your favorite, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah, I lost you.